All right, y'all, here we go. We're getting that quarter stick of butter melt down in that little macware pot. Ooh, y'all, guess what we cooking today? Nobody will be able to guess what we cooking today. But anyway, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop the Holy Trinity down in the macware. Oh, you hear it sizzling. You hear it sizzling, you know it's gonna be something good. All right, now here we go, y'all. This is what we cooking today. We cooking a swamp jambalaya. That's right, a swamp jambalaya. We're gonna use two creatures from the Louisiana swamp, and we're gonna make a good jambalaya. So right now what we got here, y'all, we got some of that good old Louisiana alligator tail that I done cut up and everything. We're gonna drop that down in the pot macware. Like that. What we wanna do, y'all, we just wanna brown that alligator up right there. Brown it up in there. Man. The smell of that Holy Trinity, y'all, is just unbelievable. All right, B, look at here, look at here. We got that alligator all cooked down, them onions, the Holy Trinity all cooked down. Check that out, B, look at that. Give them a close-up of that alligator. Look at that alligator all cooked down, y'all. Now, we didn't put no seasoning in there at all. Now, what we're gonna do, y'all, we got these little daddies right here, these little crawl daddies that go in there, but they ain't going in right now. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna add 8.5 cups of water to it. And then we're gonna do another one. Another 4 cups. Ooh, there you go. All right, y'all, we're gonna bring that to a rolling ball, and we're gonna lid it up, bring it to a rolling ball, and then we're gonna be adding our jambalaya mix to it. Jambalaya, swamp jambalaya. Just don't get no better than that. All right, B, we got that alligator all balling up right now. Y'all, we're gonna put 3 packs of a Southern Boys Outdoors jambalaya mix right here. Got all the seasoning and everything in it. We're gonna dump 3 packs in there like that. We're gonna give it a good little stir one time like that. Now, we ain't added our crawfish to it yet, but that's coming. That's coming. Don't worry, it's coming. We're gonna be adding them crawfish tails here in just a minute. Now, what we wanna do, we wanna bring that back to a rolling ball, and then we're gonna start letting that rice do its thing. We'll shut that fire down on medium, letting that rice just cook in. Look at that rice all coming together now, B. Got that alligator in there. We're gonna shut that fire down right there. Shut it all the way down on simmer. Reach over here, y'all. Got them Louisiana fresh boiled crawfish right there. We're gonna add them crawfish tails in there now. All right, y'all, we're gonna get that good and mixed around like that. Ooh-wee. Hey, y'all, I'm telling you right now, swamp jambalaya, it just don't get no better than that right there, y'all. Alligator and crawfish, the creatures of the swamp, all coming together to make you a awesome jambalaya. Got the shark on. Bite on that. Check that out, y'all. Doing the first flip of that jambalaya, that swamp jambalaya. Ooh-wee. Oh, you gotta get all that mixed up like that. Ooh, good old swamp jambalaya right there, y'all. Ooh-wee. Swamp jambalaya, swamp jambalaya, swamp jambalaya. Oh my goodness, man, that is just so pretty. Look at that, man. I gotta get that shark glove on where I can hold it a little bit. Ooh, look at that, B. You can see all the crawfish and the alligator in there. I gotta try it. I gotta try the swamp jambalaya right here. Knock that off a little bit right there. Give me one of them good old fine chinas of a paper plate. Get me a spoonful of it right there. Oh, wee. All right, y'all, get me a fork. Look at that, B. See that right there? See that? That's that alligator right there. Look at that. Look at that crawfish tail right there. Hey, y'all. Louisiana swamp jambalaya. I'm telling you right now, y'all, it just don't get no better than this right here.